cold hearts. Where is happiness when selfishness prevails? As humans, emotions are a common attribute we share. However, in today's world, people seem to be growing increasingly indifferent, especially among the younger generation, whose callousness stems from deep-rooted selfishness. What's even more alarming is their pretense of compassion on the surface. The world has truly changed. The reasons behind the cultivation of this generation's callousness remain unclear, but they have indeed become a group characterized by their coldness. Have you ever considered, though, when you show indifference to others, who will show compassion towards you? Placing yourselves in this cold and heartless world, will you truly live well? Will you find happiness? While pursuing personal interests, do we realize that genuine happiness does not exist in isolation, but rather blossoms in the mutual exchange of care and concern? Acts of heartlessness only lead us towards a lonely existence, while true happiness slips away unnoticed. Let's pause for a moment, examine our hearts, and rediscover that inclination towards caring for others. Because it is only in the shared world of emotions that we can truly find happiness.